The GE WR55X21623 Defrost control board is a genuine factory part, engineered specifically for compatible GE refrigerators, which helps ensure reliable long-term performance. By precisely managing the defrost cycle, this board helps prevent frost buildup on the evaporator, allowing the refrigerator to maintain steady cooling and consistent food temperatures. Because it matches the original electronics and connections, installation is straightforward for a qualified technician and reduces the risk of compatibility issues. Using an original manufacturer control board instead of a generic substitute can improve overall system stability and reduce nuisance temperature fluctuations. Many owners find that replacing a failing defrost board restores normal cooling operation without needing to replace the entire refrigerator. The compact design and solid construction of this control board make it a practical, durable solution for extending the life of many GE refrigerator models.